Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be filmed over a couple days. And Sherry, you want to tell them what we're doing?
Well, what we're doing is, because of the coronavirus, we have been sitting around eating a lot of stuff we don't normally eat, and we see the scales creeping up a little bit on that weight. So we want to try to do what I've been doing for the last 2 years but have not been doing for the last 2 months, is doing a low carb diet. Alex normally does not do anything low carb. She is a high carb gal. So this is going to be a real challenge for her. We're going to do it for 2 weeks and see if we can make that scale drop just a little bit. And then I probably will continue on, and then we'll see if Alex wants to continue on too based on her results.
And after pictures of results photo at the end so you can see before and after. But I want you guys to watch this video. We're just going to document what we eat every day, and it's going to be interesting. I really want to lose like this poochie. Don't get me wrong guys, I love how far I've come. I love my body. You should always be self-confident no matter what, you know, like body positivity, but this is like pushing it to the next level, and I want to just see, because it's kind of like a challenge. And whenever I video or document anything, it really helps me be accountable for my actions. So that's why I wanted to make this type of video. Before this video starts, I also wanted to say, please don't do this if you're like under the age of 18. Consult with a doctor. We are not nutritionists. This is just what we're doing for fun. So I just want to put that disclaimer in the beginning. So today is April 27th. It's a Monday, and we're gonna go for 2 weeks. I think we're gonna have one cheat day, so you guys will see that in the video. But without further ado, let's get on with what we have been eating.
Here we go.
I also wanted to add, Mother's not here, but that's okay. I also wanted to add that I'm keeping up my workout routine and Chloe Ting's workouts during this as well. So just bear that in mind. I'm not cutting out any workouts, hence why I'm in the workout gear. See, like my little back roll is getting smaller, slowly but surely. But anyway, now let's really get on into the video. Okay, so today is Monday the 27th, correct, Sherry?
It is.
And this is what I'm having for breakfast. I'm kind of switching things up. So for breakfast, I'm gonna be having a lot of the same things, just so you know, so be prepared. But I'm having hard-boiled eggs. Yeah, they came out a little funky. Couple of the eggs cracked, which is super sad. And then over here we have some celery sticks. I love celery, always have. Always will. And then my vitamin D, and obviously I'm having some water. And I'm having this before I work out. And this will probably be my breakfast for the next 2 weeks. Want to contribute anything, Sherry?
No, I think that's a very good breakfast. You're having your eggs and have a little celery, so you get some of your favorites at breakfast. Okay, so for lunch, before I forget to vlog this, I am having my salad like normal. And I'm having my deli fresh meat. Mother's having a salad. What else are you having, Sherry? I'm having an Atkins chicken margarita. Oh, so she's having an Atkins meal. So this is what I'm having so far. I don't know if I might have some nuts after, if I might still be hungry. And then I wanted to show you guys Sherry's little Atkins meal. Yep. Just to add that in there. And these are the peanuts I'm gonna dig into a little bit now, just for a little snack. Something salty for my palate. Just gonna open this on up and start snacking. Okay, here's Chef Valerie. Hello. And we have here a gorgeous filet mignon. Oh, my favorite, you guys know. And in here, oh wow, she sealed this. We have some asparagus. This is dinner on the 27th of April. And grilled asparagus. And then Sherry said the hollandaise, this is a quarter teaspoon? Or teaspoon? No, 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. My measurements for carbs or whatever, but I had to have some hollandaise with it. Here's the ladies' plates. They have some onions along with their meat and vegetables. And with the big meat. Look at that. That's a huge piece of meat. Well, it's really not that big. It's not enough for both of us, so. Yes. Hi, you cool cats and kittens. Hey. Oh, sure. Well, it wasn't open. We would have had I do feel like we are big cats, because now we're eating all this red meat here. Okay, I also wanted to share that I'm having one of the shakes. I'm having half, and then Sherry's having the other half over there. Okay, so today is April 28th, and for breakfast I'm having my vitamin and vitamin D. I also have my eggs here like normal, and my celery. And water, of course. Okay, so I'm having some salmon. This is a Fit Life Foods meal. I almost forgot to vlog this because I was getting distracted with KK and Baby J's new upload. So I'm having a Fit Life Foods meal, and I'm maybe gonna have a shake. I don't know. I'll let you guys know if I do. Okay, and now I'm having a shake. These are awesome. I love these. This is my favorite flavor, which is the protein shake mocha latte. We had to get the milk chocolate delight. That's what we had last night because they were all out of this flavor. So I have a couple left of this flavor. Guys, I'm only on day 2 and I almost forgot to vlog. So I'm having my classic salad and the turkey. And I know I had this yesterday, but the thing is, you're looking at someone who's eaten the same thing for a while. So it really doesn't bother me. So I'm probably gonna finish up this, and then I might have some peanuts, or we have some watermelon. Yeah. Okay, and before I have my turkey, we have this watermelon because this is on low carb. So we're having some watermelon. Sherry has it like this. Okay, so today is April 29th, and it honestly looks like the same clip. But I have my water, eggs, vitamin D, and my little celery here. That is breakfast. Okay, so it is about 12. It's about noon, right, Sherry?
Yep. It's
on the 29th, and I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna have these Planters peanuts for a snack, and Sherry's gonna steal some. Okay, so this is lunch for April 29th. I have the mixed chicken and vegetables. The vegetables contain zucchini, peppers, and then that's chicken. And then this is just lettuce. I wanted to have like a little small something because this is a smaller size and I didn't want to be hungry after. So I just have some Caesar dressing on this salad. And I also have to refill up my cup. I always drink after I eat, so it doesn't really matter that it's like not a thing right now. Okay, so this is still Wednesday, April 29th. I'm having green beans and these cauliflower bites. These are the Adkins cauliflower bites. And I'm also gonna have a shake after this. I didn't bring it out because I didn't want it to like get all warm and everything. So this is dinner. Like I said, I'm gonna have this for dessert, the mocha latte. This is actually the last mocha latte we have so far because we have milk chocolate delight, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna have this for dessert. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. Today is April the 30th, and this is my breakfast. It's the same as yesterday, so I'm not gonna like repeat myself. I'm sorry this video is kind of repetitive, but it's just a documentation, so I hope you find it a little interesting. Sherry's watching her Days of Our Lives like normal, but I almost forgot to vlog this. I started eating and my camera was literally sitting right there, and I was like, oh, I forgot. So I'm having the salmon, kale, and asparagus for lunch. Pretty plain, but it's really good. It's a Fit Life Foods meal. Okay, and I'm having a milk chocolate delight shake with a side of KK and Baby J. Sorry, my mom's talking in the background. Okay, so this is starting to become a pattern where I start eating and then I just come to a realization I need to vlog. So I'm having for dinner my huge salad and my deli fresh turkey because you guys know I love this stuff. But yeah, this is not that fancy. Sherry over here is having a salad. I haven't really been keeping track of what Sherry's eating because I can't even keep track of what I'm eating half the time. On to whatever I film next. For dessert, I'm having some peanuts because these are really good to snack on. Have a little salt in my life. Sherry over there is having a shake.
And a few peanuts.
It is May 1st. And I'm having my eggs, celery, and my vitamin D with my water. So just wanted to, I'll make sure I always have breakfast and like have something in the mornings. Okay, so this is what Sherry and I are having for lunch. We're both having the same thing. It's the chicken and vegetables from Fit Life Foods. For dinner, Sherry and I are having some salads like normal. I was gonna actually have broccoli, but you know, I just copy what Mother does half of the time because I don't know, I can't really think. So I have a salad, and then we're changing it up a bit with the meats. We got some hot dogs, and apparently these little guys are 2 carbs per dog, right?
Yeah, I think maybe not even that much, but yeah.
Yeah, so that's good to know. That's pretty much it. I'm also gonna have a shake, I know that. Okay, so we're watching this documentary about Susan Powell. If you haven't seen it, check it out. It's on Hulu. Sherry and I are splitting the Milk Chocolate Delight Adkins shake. I didn't want a full one, so we split them sometimes. Okay, so it is May 2nd and I'm having my normal breakfast. I'm not even gonna repeat myself. This is just for the vlog. Okay, it is still May 2nd and for lunch I'm having a small protein mixed grill. I don't know what I'm gonna have after this, so I guess you'll find out in 0.8 seconds. I came to the conclusion of eating some peanuts after my small protein meal. Okay, so for dinner we are having pianezza. And I'll show you guys the pizza when it comes out. Sherry said that it was okay to have this for our low carb. Just so you know, we're not doing strict keto. This is just a fun thing that we're doing to see if it will impact our bodies. So it's low carb. It's not technically full on keto. Right, Sherry?
That's correct. We're just cutting back on carbs.
So Sherry and Valerie got the same thing. They got a lot of stuff on there. As you can see, pepperoni, olives, some garlic, anchovies, double pepperoni. Here's my pizza. Oh my gosh, they made it freaking perfect. So happy.
I need my garlic salt and my Parmesan cheese, yes.
Okay, so we've made it to a week. We are now on May 3rd. This is the last day for this video. And for breakfast, I'm obviously having the same things. I'm not even gonna mention what it is because you can kind of see. But yeah, I guess I will move on to what I had for lunch today. Okay, so for lunch, for the last day, May, it's not April anymore. It's May 3rd. I'm having a salad and turkey, kind of like normal. I might have a shake, I don't know. But tonight we're having bonefish. Mother and I are gonna cheat a little bit and have a cookie, so you'll see that in the next clip. Okay, so for the entree, we have here broccoli and salmon, as you can see. We're also having a few other things, which I'll just show you before I eat it. Hopefully I won't forget to vlog. But this is the main course. So I put my salad in a bag because it's just way too much and I already had salad today. And this is hollandaise. I have a little taste of it. I eat it straight up because, you know, that's just how I am. And then I'm having this little bread and I'll update you guys on dessert. I think I'm just gonna have one cookie. Gotta have a cookie. Action.
More cookies. No, wait a minute. More cookies for me.
Okay, so for the last meal item of the week, I'm having one cookie because these cookies are so delicious. If you guys ever have the opportunity to try one, highly recommend. Okay, so this is future Alex coming in before I edit to talk about my weight log. Okay, I wasn't gonna talk about numbers or anything in this video, but I wanted to just kind of talk about my weight in a sense. I've gotten a few questions on Instagram about my weight and what it is and everything like that, and oh, can you give us numbers to see like if you're losing weight or measurements? I personally don't think anyone is like defined by a number. You gotta also consider the fact that I'm working out, I'm building muscle as well, but I'm going to go through my weekly log. I kept track all week. So on the 27th of April, I weighed 137 pounds and 6 ounces. And then on the 28th of April, I weighed 136.8. And then on the 29th, I weighed 136 pounds. Then on the 30th of April, I weighed 136 pounds and 3 ounces. So I gained 0.3 ounces, but who cares? And then on May 1st, I weighed 135 pounds and 9 ounces. And then on May 2nd, I weighed 135 pounds and 7 ounces. Then on May 3rd, I weighed 134 pounds and 6 ounces. And today, when I'm filming this, May 4th, I weighed 134.3 ounces. So basically, I've lost around 3-4 pounds, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot for me. That's insane. And I do have a goal weight, but I'm not gonna say it because people might say that's unhealthy, but for me, I kind of want to get back to where I was when I was like in college and everything, because I was getting a lot more exercise when I was in school. I think that is about it for this clip. So back to the Alex that you were watching previously. I actually curled my hair today. It's kind of coming out. I just want to show you guys the before and afters of last week compared to this week. So I will put them on the screen now. So here are the before and after photos. On the left is the before and on the right is the after, and that is with all the photos. You can see a major difference on the side view. I think the front looks the same and the back kind of looks the same. Hopefully you can kind of tell a difference. So yeah, I don't know if you could tell a difference or not, but I certainly feel a change in my body. I feel less bloated and just like cleaned out. That's the best way I can put it. That is going to be it for this week. Stay tuned because we are doing a week 2 update video next week. So you won't want to miss out on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and entertaining, and this was just meant to be a fun little thing for Sherry and I to do. So give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!